How to remove the Ducati light switch. There's my button for the cruise control. It was quite sticky. Once I switch it on, it stays on, and I had to push this side to take it out again and then switch it off. So it was all quite dirty and sticky. So take it apart. I've cleaned it all already. I haven't recorded when I was taking apart everything, so I thought I will record it when I'm actually putting everything back together. So there is a nice and easy. Hold on, I need to. Yeah, so this is the way. So that's the cruise control this side. Pretty straightforward. See, now it's working nicely. And then the menu button, same thing. Snap at this side and then works beautiful. Now the hazard light, which is right here. We've got the horn button, which is right here. It all just slides in, and the I think they come in that way, not the other way, and they will only fit one way. Oh. This goes that way. Okay. Yeah, that will be the fog lights and the hazard lights on this side. I'm pretty sure. Can't remember exactly, but so then this will come through like so. Yeah, beautiful now. And to take this top cover off, there's one bolt which is right there. I don't know if you can see. There's Torx 8, very small one, and you have to go with the Torx 8 through this hole here and get all the way down to. Well, let me just try to fit it through, and then I'll show you once it's in. So this is how it looks inside, and then through that top hole you need to fit it. Unfortunately my T8 is too short, so I've been using the flat screwdriver. I'll show you. This one here. So I've been using this flat screwdriver. Yeah. And then fit it through here, and this kind of worked as well. I need to get one myself, a long one, T8. Yeah. And then to show you how to actually put this all back together, right here, it's my Ducati. There's one more thing I want to clean it up. It's the bottom base. But well, I can actually put it all back together now. So there is a clip like this, which goes under, right here, and that base is actually sliding over from this side. Where was it? This side or this side? So this goes right here, see? So this goes into the steering bar, and then that clip, it actually clips into this. And then to take it off, you need to slide it in the Allen key. Size, I think this is 2.5 mil, like this one, through this hole into it to unlock this pin. So I think it will work like this. Yeah, so this way it goes. Yeah, so that's where the clips will be placed, and the dowel will go into the steering bar to lock it in place, and that clip will actually be like that. So I'll show you how to take it off. So you slide it in through this to release that and push it out, see? Nice and easy. And then the whole thing will come out, and there is a plug which you need to take it off for the electrics. Hopefully that makes sense. It'll make nice and easy. I'll record the whole process so you'll see it yourself. But hopefully this is well explained how this clip works. Go. So plugged in, and then the electric cable. So it's in. And then to clean the base, because it's quite dusty. That's what basically was sticking the buttons here. It was full of dust, and all the buttons were dirty. So I've cleaned this all up. I will want to clean this all up, and then you've got another 2 torque 8 bolts underneath to bolt it in place, and there is 2 Phillips screwdriver, so like those bolts to hold the heated grip. See, there's one on the top, one on the bottom, and I'll show you. See, this is like a rubber cover. So you just need to unfold it, use the Phillips screwdriver under the top one, under the bottom one, and then the whole thing will come out, and then you have access to this hole to actually undo this clip to pull the LED buttons for the lights and indicators. This is for the home button. Screws. Drop screw, and then test it. It's not working. Shall we? There we go. And my cruise control, which before was stuck in like that and didn't come back, so I had to push it the other side to actually reverse it, and now it's working as it should beautifully. So is this one. Indicators, left, right.